Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's eMonk here. Today I am going to bring you the double costume. Yay! It is the Demon of Chaos costume that I created for the Succubus Catherine version. I hope y'all enjoy. This one was made for my 3-year-old. And she loved it. She loved running around. And the only thing I couldn't do was to get her to wear the horns. She's not a big fan on hats or anything like that. So it's okay. Maybe next time she will. But I hope y'all enjoyed. This will show you a tutorial on how to make, again, another full dress. I won't show as much of the video this time since it's the same as the Angel of Order. So I figured I'll just cut the majority of that out. But I will show you the beginning at least, and what it looks like towards the end. And then you get to learn how to make demon wings on top of it. We know that last week y'all learned how to make the angel wings, so this week is demon. And you'll also see how to create horns for a little girl. Now, I will probably, most likely cut the majority of that one too, considering that I've already shown y'all how to make horns with my Catherine Succubus, but this shows you about the size for a little girl, roughly, or a boy. Either one, it could work either way. And I hope y'all enjoy. Again, refer to my video from last week, but all you do is just tie it literally onto the crochet headband. Just tie the tulle onto it after you cut it in half. And just make sure you size it for your child. This is what you should end up with. After you tied off your ribbon on your tutu, your little tulle for the shoulders, you're going to do like you did with the Angel of Order wings. You're going to twist off and make little loopholes so you can put the ribbon through, and then cut off the excess. That way you can get a correct point. And what you should do is shape it into bat type wings. That's what you want it to look like. Make it curve in and tie off the end a little. I slowed it down here so that way you can see exactly what I did. But just do that exactly and then just tie on the tulle, and that's all you do. Now I do want to remind you that you can make an adult size wings as well. Just all you do is just size yourself and make them bigger. That's the only difference. Now with the tulle pattern, what I did is 2 black, then 2 red, 2 black again. You can copy this pattern or you can choose a different pattern. I figured this way it makes it look like there's actual lines in the wings. Now the difference with these wings is that you do want to cut the tulle off a little short. Don't go all the way down like we did with the angel wings, simply because you want it to look like bat wings. This should be your final result. Now all you have to do is just add your ribbon to the little loopholes. Now we're going to start making the horns. Now refer to my MX Succubus horn tutorial on how exactly to make this. We're just wrapping around with wire, then we're going to cut off the newspaper and wrap it around it, then add some more wire, wrap again, add yarn, and then you're going to hot glue all over it. It's a very simple thing. Like I said, refer to the MX Succubus tutorial if you're a little bit lost. You will find the full horn tutorial right there. After you smother it in hot glue, what you're going to do next is you're going to cover it up with Mod Podge. And remember, it doesn't matter what color the yarn is because you can be spraying over it anyway. Now while that's drying, let's make the tail. This one I have not shown you. You're going to make a little loops at the end like you did earlier for your wings. And then you're going to twist the wire all the way around into a straight line, and then you're going to curve it into a tail. And then do the same thing as you do with the horns. Wrap it up with newspaper, then cover it with wire again, wrap up with newspaper again, then yarn, then Mod Podge after you hot glue the whole thing. And then let that sit there and dry, and I'll show you exactly how I created the triangle thing at the end. I used foam paper for that and just hot glued it on there. It's very simple, very easy. It does not take long at all. The most is probably like wrapping it in the newspaper. That's the most time consuming part. But other than that, after that, you just put some ribbon on through there and then make a way for it to attach to your child, and that's it. It's really simple, really easy. Now a little tip I'm going to give you: when you do cut out the triangle, when you first glue it on there, curve it a little because that'll make it easier to attach to the tail. And then you're going to hot glue again on the outside all the way around. The reason why we hot glue the outside is so that way whenever you go to spray paint it, it won't crack, and yarn is very hard to actually paint or spray over because it sucks in all the paint and you actually use more paint than necessary. So this is one way for you to cut down on the paint and make it simple. I went ahead and I didn't exactly show y'all that I spray painted it because I ran out of film and I forgot to stick it in there as well. But all I did was just spray over it a couple of coats at the same time, the tail and the horns, and that was it after it dried from the Mod Podge. Very simple, very easy, and don't forget to attach ribbon to it, that way your kid can have fun, but it's also easy for you to fix as well. That is how you make the full Demon of Chaos outfit. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please hit like and subscribe if you really like it. And next week we are going to have a different type of step. We are going to work on hair. This one is a bright yellow with an orangish tone towards the end. This lighting isn't the best for it, but you will see that in the ending of the next video, I go outside and you can actually see what the actual color is. So it will be much brighter, and I based this hairdo off of the Tales of Zestiria Edna. She has yellow with orange tips, and this is inspired by that because I plan on making that costume sometime this year. So I hope y'all enjoy next week's video. Please tune in for it, as you can work how to do it with the wig and what type of stuff I use. And then the week after, I'm going to show you Little Gray Bat's new hairdo that I did for her. She has a bluish green. It's blue at the top and flows out to a nice little blue green. Hers is just, she wanted to be blue, so why not be blue? But I'm going to show y'all what we used and everything of that nature. Please tune in for the next couple of weeks. After that, we're going to work on Freddy Krueger, the chick version. Full gender bent and everything. Y'all are going to love it, and it's going to be amazing. And I hope y'all enjoy all these videos. And please subscribe for my channel for even more fun. I hope to see y'all later. Happy cosplaying!